Hey there, it's Amelia, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate and use a QR code within Microsoft Office. I'm in Microsoft Word, but you can be in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and you can generate a QR code that you could use within Office, or you can save the image and use it outside of Office. Let's take a look. So in Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you want to click Insert and then select Get Add-ins. From the Office Add-ins screen, you want to search for the add-in called QR, the number 4, and then Office. This is a free tool that lets you generate QR codes that integrate in your Office documents. I'll go ahead and click Add. And then you'll need to review the license terms and privacy policy and click Continue. Once the add-in is selected, it will open up in this pane on the right side of your screen. Now that I've added the add-in, next time I can click My Add-ins. And as you can see, the QR for Office is showing here, and if I didn't see this pane here on the right, I can click here and it would also open up the pane on the right. So what I want to do is I just need a quick QR code to add to my business card, which looks like this. So this is the back, and I have the front and back of my business card for my children's books saved on VistaPrint. And I want to create a QR code that has this particular URL. So I'm going to grab this URL and select Control-C to copy it. And actually, I'm just going to test it out, which is always a good idea, and make sure it goes to the right website. And return back to Microsoft Word. Okay, so in the QR for Office pane here, I'm going to click in this field and paste in my URL. And if your URL contains the HTTPS, which is already in this field, just remove it here like this. And make sure, again, that everything is A-OK in the URL. Now you can change the color. You can change the background, and you can also change the size. I'm going to go with a little bit of a higher resolution. Maybe go with, you could see the full size here, 297 by 297. Let's just go a little bit larger. Actually, if you go all the way over, the full size is 495 times 495 pixels. So let's go with that. I'm going to go ahead and leave it black, but you can experiment with the colors as needed. And then just click Insert. And it inserts the QR code within Microsoft Word. And then you can resize, and remember, if you're ever resizing a QR code image or any image in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office, always use the corner handles to make sure that the aspect ratio is retained. So let me just reduce the document size here and show you what I mean. You definitely never want to use the side handles, which will skew your image unless you have the aspect ratio set up to always be locked. So now that I have this QR image generated in Word, you can save your document, and you can also save the image to use it elsewhere. So I'm going to right click on the QR code, click Save as Picture, and then I'll go ahead and give my QR code a name. Okay, and it's saving it as a PNG image, which is fine, and I'll click Save. So now I'm going to switch over and use it outside of Word, but if you had, say, a document in Word or a presentation in PowerPoint or some kind of a financial report in Excel, you can certainly keep the QR code within Microsoft Office. But like I said, I'm going to, now that I saved it, use it outside of Office. So I'm back here in VistaPrint, and you can be anywhere. You could even use it in a design, like say in Canva or anywhere else. I'm going to import it in this design by clicking Images and then Upload. And then here's my QR code. And now I can add it to my business card. I'm going to reduce the size, and I'll move some things around and make some room for it. And then in no time, I will be able to have my business card finished and printed. Okay, so I've reduced the size of the URL, and I'm just going to reduce this just a little bit and place it here in the corner, and you get the gist of it. I'm probably just going to move some things around just to make this just a little bit bigger. So once you have your QR code on your external design or in Microsoft Word or anywhere else in Office, it's ready to scan. So if you have printed materials or if you have an electronic document, remember all it would take was somebody to use their phone to test it out. So now I'm going to go ahead and test out the process. Okay, so here I am on my phone, and I'm going to tap on my camera app, and then I'm going to go ahead and position it on my screen. And as you can see, it's already prompting me. We want to test out the URL, make sure it works. So it's prompting me for my website. So I'm going to tap on the website. And you want to confirm that the URL goes to the proper website. And it does. And then you're ready to incorporate your QR code on any materials and ready for it to scan for your website. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.